Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. I just got my base box in the mail. It got a little mangled, but it seems like everything is okay in here, so that's good. But I'm going to be also doing a try-on today. I did this last time. You guys really seem to like the try-on, so you guys can get an idea for how to use the products and do a look with them. So I think it is helpful, so I will do that again today. And this is just going to be my base box. My premium is on the way, so if you guys want to see a try-on with that one, I can definitely do one as well. If you hear anything in the background, it's the snowblower. I live in Iowa, and it has snowed like almost every day this week. It's crazy how much snow we've got, and my husband's currently snowblowing right now, so I don't know. I just sat down to film, so we're just gonna do it anyway, and hopefully it's not too loud. And also happy Super Bowl Sunday if you guys are going for any of the teams today. My family is actually big Chiefs fans, so we are hoping for a Chiefs win today, although I'm not really into football that much, but I do like to watch the commercials, so I always watch the Super Bowl game. My dad and my brother are big into it, and my husband, he doesn't care about football at all. He's more into cars, but we're gonna watch the game today and go for the Chiefs, of course. Let me know who you guys are rooting for. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Alright, so we got the cute little card. It says Boxycharm XOXO. So the first thing I want to start with is a skincare product that we got this month, and this is actually from Saturday Skin. This is a brand that is sold on Sephora. It's pretty popular, and we got their Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask. Ooh, I'm actually excited for this. I've been trying to get into more vitamin C products. I know it's so great for the skin for brightening dark spots and just evening out the complexion. My skin has really cleared up this year, and it's just weird. I don't know if it's the products I started using or what, because I'm always having breakouts typically, but it's been very good right now. I just need to start fading some of my acne spots, but I'm excited to try this. It retails for $29, and it says it delivers moisture while targeting the look of aging, dullness, pores, stress, and texture. I feel like I always use vitamin C products in the daytime, but I hate how they feel on my skin and underneath makeup. They're so sticky sometimes, so I think this is nice that it's going to be a sleep mask, so I could just wear it to bed. It is scented like orange, just so you know. If you guys don't like scents, I don't mind them, but it is very orange smelling, but I will definitely try this out. I'm excited. Next up, I got, it looks like brushes. This is from the brand GLAMIERRE, and it came in this little pouch, and I'm thinking the pouch has some interesting product, like chemicals on it, because it says, warning, this product may contain chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer, birth defects, or other reproductive harm. I think it's the plastic. I'm not going to keep that anyway. I'm just going to probably keep the brushes. Oh, these are cute though. How fun. Oh my gosh, they're little Valentine's Day heart brushes. That's cute. So I've actually never heard of this brand before. I mean, I think the brushes feel nice. They kind of remind me of like Moda brush. These are going for $29.95. It says, and these are the 4 essential eye brushes. So we'll try those out today. I also got a little palette from Wonder Beauty. I do love Wonder. They have some really good stuff. Their brand is all about making multitasking products, so they're trying to kind of shorten the time to do your makeup basically. And they sent their Getaway Eye and Face palette. Let's see what this one looks like. I have not seen this one before. Alright, so we got the mauve packaging, and ooh, this is cute. Here's the inside. So we got 6 neutral shades in the middle, a nice highlight, and a blush. So pretty much you could do almost a full face with this, just missing like bronzer. So very exciting. I like this color scheme. Sometimes their color schemes they do for their palettes I'm not always the biggest fan of, because they'll do like all shimmers and then 1 matte. But this one has, it looks like 2 mattes and then 4 shimmers. It kind of reminds me of my Boxycharm White Russian palette is what I'm getting. I thought I had it over here, but maybe I don't, but that's what it reminds me of. I'm excited to try this today. I think that's going to be such a nice neutral palette. This one retails for $36. We also got this from St. Luxe. It says limited edition liner duo. I don't know if this is lip liner or eyeliner, but we will see. Looks like lip liners. We got a mauve and like a darker brown. I swear I never have to buy lip liner because I always get so many in like Boxycharm. So the colors are Love Letter and also Secret Admirer. Very fitting for the theme. I love when brands actually follow the theme. So this is making me really happy right now. Oh no, this one got a little smushed. I don't know if I can, how does this roll up? Sometimes I'm not the smartest when it comes to these things, but I like this color. So if you guys know, how do I twist this up? Let me know, but those are really nice shades. I like sometimes using a darker brown nude. It really contours out the lips, so I'm excited for this. This is retailing for $40 though. It's so expensive for that. But yeah, let me know if you guys know how to twist these up or what I'm doing wrong. I don't know. And then lastly, we got here from Tristique. And I think I've gotten this before, and it was a while back. Like, I really liked it though, so I'm actually excited to have it again. This mascara is really good. This is their Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. This mascara, it looks insane, but it works really well. So what it does, basically, this lid here is going to be your lash curler. So it moves up like that to curl the lashes, and then there is a mascara here, and this formula is really nice. Like, I'll show you guys in the try on. So I'm excited to have this in my life again. It also says it comes with the eyeliner, I think. Oh yeah, this is the liner in Santorini Black Sand. I've actually been to Santorini and they do have black sand, and it is very weird. I was not expecting it when I went there. I was expecting like these really soft sand beaches, and it's like rocks. So you definitely need like some swim shoes there. Okay, so this is the eyeliner, and we'll definitely try that out today as well. So that is everything in my Boxycharm. By the way, the Tristique retails for $44, and we'll go ahead and try these on in the next clip. All right, so I got you guys all zoomed in. Let's go ahead and get into this Wander Beauty palette. I'm very excited to try this out. And we'll go ahead and use the eye brushes. So let's try this crease brush. I usually like something a little bit fluffier. So actually, I think I'm going to use something else first and then go into that, because I want to start with something very fluffy. So this is what I'm going to use first. This is just a alter ego brush, number 5. And I'm going to go into Villa in the crease. And the reason I like using a more fluffy brush is just with the crease, I like it to be just more diffused, blown out. And usually the smaller brushes I like for more detail work. So that's why I start like this. These shades are actually more pigmented than I thought they would be. So kind of surprised. And that is great, because I was not expecting that. I was expecting them to be super light. All right, now we'll use the little Glamiere brush, and we'll take Chateau in the outer corner. Now, what would have made this palette better is maybe instead of Chateau being this mid-tone, maybe making it a dark brown, I think. Because this one, I mean, this is going to be the deepest tone in here, and you're not going to get much depth with the palette. And I like my smoky outer corners. So this one's probably not going to do it for me for that, but it is nice for like a day wear, like just everyday neutral makeup. But like if you have a medium to deeper skin tone, I don't know if you will really like this. And we'll go ahead and use, I'm thinking Road Trip today on the lid. This is a really pretty bronze, but I feel like it's almost darker than the matte, so it kind of looks funny. But I love the color. So I'm just going to take that all the way across, because it looks weird to have that medium color in the outer corner when this shade is way darker than it. So maybe you could use this one in the outer corner instead, just pressing it lightly. Sometimes I do that with shimmers, but I usually like to have a matte. I'm going to take a little bit of Cabana on my finger and just place this in the inner portion. So it can kind of, this one's very pigmented. Actually, I wasn't expecting it to be that bright, but that's okay. So we'll kind of have it like half with the gold, half with the bronze. It's kind of blended lightly together, so it just kind of like fades into that color. Okay, and I think for the lower lash line, we'll go in with, let me take Road Trip on the lower lash line. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm doing for the eyes, testing those products out. I'll say the brushes are decent. They're not my favorite brushes, but I'll definitely use them in my collection. They're super cute, so they're going to look adorable in my little brush holder. I'm going to go ahead and add concealer and bronzer, and then we'll be right back to do the rest of the product. All right, so my bronzer is on. I'm going to go ahead and try out the blush and highlight in here. So we'll go into Day Trip Blush. And this one is a light coral. I do like the tone of this one. It's not too bright. Sometimes corals can like take over. This one's more buildable. And then we'll try out the highlighter. This one is stunning as well. It's kind of the same formula as their shimmer eyeshadows, so they're very pigmented, very like foiled looking. So it's a very metallic type of highlight, but it's not, there's no glitter in it. It's just like a metallic finish. I am just gonna powder a little bit over that because I don't like too much highlight because I have oily skin. That looks really nice. So it kind of looks like a very dewy highlighter. Next, we'll do the mascara. So I'm going to curl my lashes first with this guy. Now, this is kind of a... I remember when I had this, I didn't really use the lash curler because it's like so small. But I do want to try it out and see what it does. It's kind of hard to maneuver though. So I don't really know if I'll be using this part. I literally feel like I'm gonna poke my eye. Okay, there's that. Let's try out the actual mascara. So I don't know why, but this mascara seems to be clumping up a lot. I don't remember it being that way. So I don't know if the formula is different on this one. It just seems different. I don't know. That's kind of what it looks like, but I feel like there's little clumps all over my lashes. So now I'm unsure if I'm gonna like that. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'll have to wait for it to like dry out a bit, but yeah, it's kind of weird. I really don't like how that looks. Let me add a little bit of my Lancome mascara to kind of fix it. All right, let's try out the lip liner from St. Luxe. I'm using the Love Letter one since my other one does not want to sharpen. This is a nice everyday type of color. The formula is very creamy. It seems good. I like the color a lot. Let me go over that with some gloss, but this is basically how the color looks. I'm just going to take my Kaja Gloss Shot Gloss in Pink Drink. This gloss just came out and it's so good. I've been obsessed. I can't stop wearing it. Okay, so this is the finished look with everything from the Boxycharm for February. Everything seemed to work out nicely. My only gripe is with the mascara. I don't know what is up with that. I know I've tried this formula before and it just feels weird to me. I just did not like how my lashes turned out, but everything else is pretty decent. So I hope you guys enjoyed this February unboxing and try on. Hopefully it was helpful for you. I would love to hear what you guys are getting in your Boxycharms. I think I always get mine a little bit early since they do send these my way, and I'll definitely do my premium one as well if you guys want to see that. But that's it for this video today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.